If you want to make real money on social media in 2025, stop creating random content and start using social media as a tool for your business. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to monetize your social media in 2025. Let's dive in. So if you're on social media, but you're not effectively using your social media platforms to build your audience so that you can turn your online presence into profitability, then this video is absolutely for you. Let's just get straight into it. Step one is know your audience. Before you sell anything, you need to know who you're talking to, because your audience determines your offer, your messaging, and even the type of content that you'll create for them. That will essentially turn your audience into paying clients or customers. So start by asking yourself, who do I help? What problem do they have? And what solution can I offer them? The clearer you are, the faster you'll attract the right people. Let's go straight into step two. And that is create your offer, because monetization starts with one offer. If you don't have anything to sell, your content is just entertainment. Period. Whether it's a digital product, a course, a membership, coaching program, create something that solves a problem for your specific audience. If you don't have an offer just yet, then you better start asking your audience all the right questions. And if you're a multi-passionate entrepreneur like me, remember to just start with one. Avoid trying to do too many things all at once. The key is to focus on one irresistible offer first. Then later, once you have a proven offer, then you can add other offers to your product suite. Step three is to create strategic content. Your content should never be random. Every post should focus on these three things. Number one is build awareness. Let people know who you are and what you do. Number two is to nurture your audience. This is how you'll build a relationship with your audience, which leads to them trusting you. And number three is show your authority. That means show your expertise, your superpowers. Establish yourself as the go-to expert in your industry. And if you want to learn more about positioning yourself as the A-list level superstar brand of your industry, grab my free Boss Brand Up bundle in the link in the description below. The Boss Brand Up bundle gives you everything that you need, starting from the foundations to build a brand that looks luxe, feels powerful, and sells effortlessly. No more second guessing, no more playing small, just clarity, confidence, and a brand that demands attention. Now, if you've been looking for the big secret, here it is. When you focus on giving your audience what they want, rather than just posting what you want, your content will start to sell for you without you having to ever be salesy again. So here's an example. If you're a fitness coach, instead of just posting workout videos, you can give your audience value by sharing your client wins, showing their transformations, or even your own transformation, while also giving them valuable educational tips that will actually help them get a quick win. This helps you position yourself as the expert of your industry. If you're ready to level up, which I know you are, grab the Boss Brand Up bundle now and start turning your brand into a money-making machine. Now, step four is all about conversations. The easiest way to convert followers into paying customers or clients is all through conversations. That means your DMs equals dollar signs. So make sure to reply to every single comment and interact with your potential clients and customers. Engage with them, show them that you see them, and engage with them in your DMs without being pushy, and create a system that turns your likes, your comments, and your DMs into real sales. Here's an example. Hey, I saw your comment about struggling with XYZ. I have a free guide that might help you. Want me to send it over? And that's it. How simple is that? This simple message opens up the door to deeper conversations, and that's it. And if they don't respond, then that's okay. Let it be. And step 5 is all about building your content system. Stop reinventing the wheel. If you're constantly feeling confused about what to post, you need a system. So start by batching your content ahead of time and leverage tools like Canva, which is a free tool that allows you to design professional graphics for all your posts, even if you're not a professional graphic designer. And if you're ready to master standout visuals right now without hiring a graphic designer, watch this video to learn how to master Canva in 27 minutes. This is my full Canva tutorial that will walk you through step by step. Next is review the content that's already performing well, and then slightly tweak the content and repurpose that content to your social media as well as emails. And if you are using one social media platform, for instance, just say you are only on Instagram, that is even better because it allows you to master Instagram, and you can also repurpose your content to that same channel because it will build brand recognition. So basically what I'm saying is that being repetitive on social media is actually a really good thing. You don't always have to reinvent the wheel and start from zero. And lastly is all about automation. You can post your own videos, posts, whatever the case may be yourself, or you can schedule it ahead of time so you're making money even when you're not the one physically posting it. You can also funnel people into your email list through software like System.io or FLODESK to collect emails and then automatically send emails so that you are working smarter, not harder. What I mean is you can offer people a freebie in exchange for their email address, which means that you'll need to automate this process so that you're not up all night responding to requests and sending people emails by using tools like System.io or FLODESK. And when it comes to making sales, you'll also need a checkout page, which you can also do with System.io and FLODESK. So there you have it, easy peasy. All you have to do is get started with these simple steps today, and I guarantee you'll be ahead of most people who are just dreaming about it. So go on, let's get to work. And remember, if you're ready to turn your social media into a money-making machine, I've created the ultimate branding bundle just for you. You'll get the complete guide on how to build your personal brand, a checklist to make sure you're on track, a messaging cheat sheet to help you create irresistible content, brand kit Canva templates so you can create a very polished look, and a step-by-step video walkthrough. You can grab all of this for free. I'll link it in the description below. If you want to take this even further, I break it all down in this video, which you can check out next, or watch my Canva tutorial to help you master Canva in 27 minutes. I'll also link these in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.